Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix incompatible software component detected problems error for Valorant. To do this, open File Explorer. After opening File Explorer, click on this PC. And then on disk C, double click on the Windows and find System32 folders. Go ahead and click on that as well. On the System32 folder, go ahead and locate the drivers folder. In this folder, the next thing we need to do is find the system file mentioned in the error code. To do this, type ene.sys. After searching, you should either delete this file or rename it by pressing F2 and adding .old to the file. This file is an old driver that is not compatible with Valorant. After completing the process, close the File Explorer and restart this computer. After restarting the computer, you can check whether the VAN incompatible software component detected problem is solved. That will be all for today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.